So today is day 16, and I want to get to some armor mods for XPMSSE. Unfortunately, I can't, not without first going through a few nudity mods. So first we've got CBBE, then we have Bodyslide, XP32 Maximum Skeleton Extended, HDT SMP, and CBBE SMP patch. So go ahead and download them. Go ahead and download the main file for CBBE, then go to Bodyslide and Outfit Studio, download the main file, XP32 Maximum Skeleton Extended, once again, main file, download button, HDT SMP, download 1.5.97 version 2.11. If you have a old CPU, download the No AVX version. Once again, for CBBE SMP, just Mod Manager download. Alright, first, CBBE. CBBE contains a foam mod. So, let's go ahead and go in. First of all, body shape. This doesn't really matter too much because you can use Bodyslide to make it how you want. Then, underwear. I'm going to be using underwear because I'm making YouTube videos. I don't need nudity. Outfit options, I recommend the vanilla outfit options. Face pack is up to you, just because. Let's go ahead and pick a underwear if you want to pick that option. Next, you want body morphs because this will allow you to have more options in race menu. And this will also allow a mod I want to use down the line called RBS, or Realistic Body System, which will create random variations on the body. Next one is Bodyslide and Outfit Studio. XP32 Maximum Skeleton Extended, once again, has a few settings you can use. You will want the physics extension option. Do not use old 4.51. Fake physics, no physics, or none. Only use physics extension because we are going to be using HDT SMP. Next, race menu. Nothing here that matters. You can use one of these possibly. Next, these are up to you if you want to use them. I don't really recommend them. Next, these are options that you can choose to use that I do not generally recommend because they can have a few minor incompatibilities. Same thing here. We don't have either of these mods, so don't enable either one. No deadly mutilation or end raw. So go ahead and install, and you should be good. Next one, HDT SMP for SSE. Simple enough to install. CBBE SMP, enable the pre-built body. You can choose one of these options. Either one works. Now, enable those 5 mods. Go to Data. Go to Caliente Tools, Bodyslide, add Bodyslide as an executable, right click, add as executable, hit OK. Next thing, go to Run Generate Finish for Users, enable Skeleton Arm Fix, update Finis, go ahead and exit Finis, drag Finis output to the bottom. Next, run SSE edit VQSC. As you can see, there are no conflicts currently, so you can go ahead and close. The next step, go ahead and run Bodyslide x64. We are working with XPMSSE, so go ahead and choose that. You can go ahead and select which body you want. I will be using underwear physics. You can preview and it should have an appearance. You can also select individual armors to view the appearance of that armor as you have the preset. I'm going to use Slim. And this is what a Slim looks like. When using Bodyslide with a mod manager, you will want to go to Advanced, change Output Path to the mod manager's mods folder with a new folder of the mod. So this will be Bodyslide. So this will be Bodyslide output in MO2SSE folder, and hit OK. Now whenever you build, it will automatically send the built files to that folder. Build morphs, batch build, build. Once again, I'm using underwear physics, and I'm going to recommend physics for any light or clothing items, but don't use physics for heavy armor. It simply doesn't make sense to. Hit OK. Go ahead and close. If you use MO2 or Cortex, you can go ahead and just refresh, and it should show up with the Bodyslide output path. Enable it and allow it to overwrite all files. If you use Cortex Mod Manager, just go ahead and install CBBE. Next one, install CBBE SMP. Pre-built body, and done. XP32 maximum skeleton extended. Once again, do not use anything except for physics extension. If you choose not to use SMP, then you can choose none. Otherwise, only use physics extension. Next, use race menu. I could care less about any of the other files in this foam mod. However, make sure to disable this mod. Now, go ahead and go to the files, download files section, which is HDT SMP, Bodyslide and Outfit Studio. Go ahead and just extract. Back in Cortex, add new mod from folder. So add HDT SMP. And now enable all 5. Be sure to drag SMP above CBBE SMP and XP32 above HDT SMP. Now, go ahead and run VFS. Go to Programs. Right click, Add Program, Browse File. Go to your Cortex folder, the profile folder, the virtual game directory, Caliente Tools, Bodyslide, and add Bodyslide x64. Remove the leading and change this to cache in parentheses virtual game dir /data/ Hit OK. Terminate the VFS. You should now be able to run Bodyslide. So you can go ahead and run that. Of course, choose SSE, change settings, advanced, output path. This time, you're going to the Cortex mods folder instead. Go ahead and terminate the VFS, add new empty mod, name it Bodyslide Output. Go ahead and run the VFS, run Bodyslide, go to Settings, change Game Data Path. Go to where you have Cortex Virtual stored, and set this to Virtual Game Dir Data. Select the folder, Advanced. Go back to your Cortex mods in the Advanced Output Path section. You should find the newest one. This should be empty because it is the new creation. Create a new folder and name it Data. Go into it and OK. Hit OK. Now full screen. Close Cortex. Close Bodyslide. Run Bodyslide again. Go ahead and run Finis. We're going to need to enable the skeleton arm fix and update Finis. Kerber is looking into these two warnings. Once you have these mods installed, go into mod files location of Bodyslide, new folder, name it Data. Drag and drop the textures and Caliente tools folders into it. Close. Once you have moved these Files and Bodyslide, go ahead to the right, Add Program, type this line, and name it Bodyslide. Hit OK. Go to Add, New Empty Mod, name it Bodyslide Output. Go ahead and run the VFS. Go to Bodyslide and run it. Go to Settings. Change Game Data Path to the data path of your virtual game directory. So for instance, mine is Games, Cortex, Modaday, Virtual Game Dir, Data. Change Advanced to the newly created mod. So go to where you have Cortex in your mods folder, the newest one, mod files, new folder, name it Data, select it, hit OK. Once again, batch build, build morphs, and hit OK. Once done, hit OK, close. For Vortex, just go ahead and hit Install All. Give it a few seconds to pop up the first FOMod. Physics extension. Do not enable anything else. Card creation. Make sure it is race menu. None of the rest. The rest of these do not matter except for SOS. Set it to none. And finish. CBBE. I'm using underwear. Underwear doesn't really matter. Optional, enable race menu. And finish. With SMP, enable pre-built body, up to you the other two options. Finish. Go ahead and hit enable all, and let it reload. Hit enable all again. Go to configure finis, enable skeleton arm fix. Hit save. Hit the lightning bolt beside CBBE SMP and load after CBBE. Hit deploy. Once you have enabled and installed all of these, go to open mod staging folder, create a new folder, Bodyslide output. And then restart Vortex and hit apply changes. Go ahead and enable that output, deploy mods. Finished data should have some changes, so confirm that. You'll notice some mods are redundant. You can ignore this for now. We're going to change that shortly. Go to the dashboard, add tool, new tool. Change target by clicking the folder icon. Go to where you have the game installed. Go to data, Caliente tools, Bodyslide, Bodyslide x64, open. Hit save. Run Bodyslide. Once again, XPMSSE. Full screen it. Go into settings, advanced. Change output path. Vortex mods, XPMSSE, Bodyslide output. Select folder. Hit OK. Build morphs. Change the preset. Enable body. Batch build. Hit build. And select the options you want and hit OK. All sets should be processed successfully, at this point at least. Then go ahead and close it. Go to mods. Deploy mods. Right click on Bodyslide output and hit refresh content. Click the red lightning bolt beside Bodyslide output and set it to load after CBBE SMP, and CBBE. Save. Deploy again. These are now all installed, and they shouldn't have any conflicts in the records, so you should be good to go now.